Katkum ka khubor balayo na ka Priti Thapa kawe na ki model bapawnam kani kathan layathu ba Shen and Pynlong ka North East International Fashion Show ha Assam ha kitayo banwan kani ka model kalapan benaru ba an Pynlong ya kajingya ko pen iriam na ka benta ki model na Meghalaya ki bathrang banya shim benta ha kate ka lumpung ya ko ha ka arpu nyau tri ujemang ha Shillong club ka Priti Thapa kalaya ru ya ki samna ka Meghalaya bagidon buon ki sab banlong ki model henrei namar baduna kilat kidenti bat ki breu ki batbet ban bitin denti ki ha kani kalyang kani ka kam kadang sadien habayanu jor bat ki samla na ki we ki jella kari India.
It's Northeast International Fashion Week. So talking about that, we are going to have an audition in Meghalaya for the first time. And the director and the founder of the show is Prashant Ghosh, like she mentioned, and the coordinator of the show is Sweetie Palana. And the audition will be on the 27th of this month, May. So Meghalaya model audition is for male, female, teens, kids, plus size models, married ladies too. So that everybody can, it's like basically for all, everybody can try. There's a stigma when we think of fashion that you know, somebody has to be thin or something like that. People still think that way, but we have grown so much. But anyways, it's for everybody, so everybody can come. And also it's in Shillong Club, like she said, it's in Kacheri Road, Police Bazaar, Shillong. And talking about the dress code, it's blue jeans, white t-shirt, white tops, along with 2 photos, one close-up and one full length. Because it's for the first time that we are having this audition in Shillong for this International Fashion Week. So I feel it's like a exposure and experience, because when it comes to fashion industry, we know how it is, right? We hardly have any shows, to be honest, in Meghalaya. So if they are coming to our state and giving an opportunity to the people of our state, why not? I feel it's a very good initiative, and they'll get to see so many things, ma'am. I feel, you know, I started my career from Guwahati, so I know how it is, you know. So I feel people should have more knowledge and experience about the show. Till the time they'll not come and experience by themselves, I feel, you know, they are not gonna experience anything. Action speaks louder than words, they say. So there'll be participants of like models will be there, of course, designers will be there, local designers will be there, exhibitors will be there. That's what I have come to know about the show. So they'll be all showing their culture, the fabric, sustainable fashion. It's been 6 years, I guess, they are doing the fashion show, and it's the 7th season now. So everything is there in the website. If they want to know more about the show, like the details, it's www.prashantghosh.org and www.northeastinternationalfashionweek.com.